Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Go Guarded Ring is probably one of the most innovative self-defense tools available today. This discreet yet powerful ring is designed to provide you with an extra layer of security, offering a non-lethal way to protect yourself in threatening situations. In this video, we'll dive deep into the features, benefits, and real-world applications of the Go Guarded Ring, helping you decide if it's the right choice for your personal safety. Number 5. SABRE Pepper Spray and Stun Gun Self-Defense Kit. This is the SABRE Self-Defense Kit, trusted by professionals. It includes pepper spray and a stun gun, designed to keep you safe. You can rely on it. SABRE is the #1 pepper spray brand, used by police and consumers. It's trusted by the New York PD and U.S. Marshals. This product is made in the USA. With a 10-second spray time and a range of up to 14 feet, it helps you in dangerous situations. The stream delivery reduces wind blowback, ensuring it hits the target. The stun gun delivers a painful charge to help defend yourself. The built-in flashlight helps you locate door locks in the dark. It's rechargeable for multiple uses. The included holster makes it easy to carry. The pepper spray has a key ring for quick access. It's designed for your safety. The kit includes links to free training videos. These videos provide safety tips to help you maximize your personal safety. Use them to learn how to use the product effectively. What we like. This kit combines pepper spray and a stun gun for comprehensive protection. It offers a longer spray time, giving you more chances to deter an attacker. If you are looking for a self-defense tool that provides both immediate and long-term protection, you should consider this. What people say. The ring is very discreet and doesn't look like a weapon. It is easy to use. The ring is made of durable material. Number 4. SABRE Runner 3-in-1 Defense Spray. This defense spray combines pepper spray, CS military tear gas, and UV marking dye. It's designed to provide you with comprehensive protection against threats. The formula is made to help you stay safe. SABRE is the #1 pepper spray brand, trusted by police and consumers globally. It is the brand used by the New York PD, Chicago PD, and U.S. Marshals. This product is made in the USA. With max strength, this pepper spray is designed to be effective, even against attackers under the influence of drugs or alcohol. It's backed by an in-house HPLC lab, ensuring its quality and reliability. This 3-in-1 defense spray offers protection against multiple assailants. It provides a longer spray time and delivers a powerful stream to the target's eyes, reducing wind blowback. The adjustable reflective runner hand strap makes it easy to carry and access. The secure twist lock safety helps prevent accidental discharge, ensuring it's ready when you need it. Included with your purchase are links to free SABRE pepper spray training videos. These resources provide safety tips to help you maximize your personal safety and learn how to use it effectively. What we like. This defense spray uses a 3-in-1 formula, offering protection against multiple threats. The reflective hand strap makes it easy to carry and ready for immediate access. If you often find yourself in situations where you need quick access to self-defense, you should consider this. What people say. The ring is very easy to use. The ring is very discreet. It's a great design. Number 3. MUNIO Self-Defense Keychain, Stylish and Portable Safety. This is the MUNIO Self-Defense Keychain. It's a stylish and portable safety tool designed for everyone. It's a great way to feel more secure. The design is sleek and modern, making it easy to carry. It can be attached to your keys, bag, or anything else. It's always there when you need it. This keychain provides non-lethal protection. It's a safe and effective way to defend yourself. It's designed to deter attackers. You can take it with you wherever you go. It's TSA approved, so you can bring it on flights. This ensures you stay protected, even when traveling. The MUNIO Self-Defense Keychain is proudly made in the USA. It's made with quality materials and craftsmanship. You can trust its reliability. What we like. This keychain is a stylish and portable safety tool. It is also TSA approved, making it perfect for travel. If you like a discreet and fashionable way to carry self-defense, you should consider this. What people say. The ring is very comfortable and I barely notice it's there. The ring is very easy to use. The ring is very discreet. Number 2. Multitool Carabiner with Pocket Knife. This multi-tool is a versatile companion for any outdoor adventure. It includes a folding pocket knife, bottle opener, glass breaker, and screwdrivers. It's designed to handle various tasks you might encounter. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this carabiner multi-tool is built for durability. It resists corrosion and is reliable for long-term use. You can count on it when you need it most. This EDC survival gear is compact and easy to carry. It attaches easily to your backpack or keychain. Just remember to twist the locking latch for a secure hold. The folding knife features a locking liner for safety and effortless opening. All the tools are quick release and easy to use. It's perfect for camping, hiking, and other outdoor activities. Looking for a great gift? This stylish knife is ideal for any occasion. It's a perfect stocking stuffer for men, friends, and family. What we like? This multi-tool carabiner is a versatile EDC gear. It is constructed of premium stainless steel, ensuring long-term durability. If you are looking for a practical and reliable tool for outdoor activities, you should consider this. What people say? Well made despite the low price, the twist lock makes it stay put, and the knife is nice and sharp. The carabiner is easy to use, and the design is user-friendly and makes sense. It's pretty heavy, but the color is just as described and it seems a good, high-quality piece. They've had a lot of issues at her campus, attractive and girly yet a great self-defense weapon. Not only can use the knife, but you can use this as a knuckle ring. Number 1. She's Birdie Aqua, personal safety alarm for women. Introducing She's Birdie, the personal safety alarm designed by women, for women. This device is your everyday companion, providing peace of mind wherever you go. It's a simple, yet powerful tool for your safety. In a threatening situation, this alarm creates a diversion. The loud siren and flashing strobe light help deter attackers and draw attention. It's designed to help you in dangerous situations. Birdie's modern design is user-friendly. Simply remove the top pin to activate the alarm, and replace it to deactivate. It's designed for repeated use, and the batteries are replaceable. Take it with you everywhere, from day to night. Whether you're walking your dog, on campus, or traveling, it's there to help you feel safe. It's a great way to protect yourself in various situations. Share the gift of safety with the women in your life. It's perfect for sisters, daughters, mothers, and friends. It's a thoughtful gift that shows you care about their well-being. Each Birdie alarm is hand-tested and built to last. Furthermore, 5% of profits are donated to organizations supporting women's safety and health. This ensures that it is a safe and reliable product. What we like? This personal safety alarm features a loud siren and strobe light to deter attackers. It has a simple design, making it easy to use in any situation. If you like a simple, yet effective personal safety device, you should consider this. What people say? They are extremely loud. Perfect for safety and easy to pull when needed. The alarm is shockingly loud. We tested it once and it'll definitely get attention, and the flashing light adds an extra layer of visibility. Looks like a key fob but is extremely loud. Also like that the light flashes when the alarm is activated. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.